So I'm drunk. I wanted to redo my Carnival makeup look because I liked the first one I did, but I wanted to do it again because I had another idea. But also I got drunk, so it's gonna be a fun time. Also, I don't have anything to change into for this look, so I'm just gonna wear this You Matter shirt. I love it. It's great. You matter. And I'm here with my son Jonathan. He's a great boy. He's very quiet. But yeah, I'm drunk, and we're gonna have a great time. I'm gonna take it off my shirt. I'm getting hot. You can stay right there, buddy. Anyway, I was watching a James Charles video. I watched half of it because his videos are really long and I have a really short attention span, but that's a different topic. So I looked up his look for his palette, his Morphe palette. And it has like greens and it has reds and beautiful colors just all mixed in together. So I'm gonna try and do that today while I'm a little tipsy. So it's gonna be a fun video. But first I'm gonna make sure this right here looks a lot better than what this looks like right now. So I will be right back. For me, I'm gonna be right back, but for you it's gonna be like that, and this is gonna be like the next shot. Also, I'm not gonna talk to this video because I'm again pretty drunk / just pretty tipsy, and I'm getting winded just from talking right now. It's like crazy. Should probably work out, but I'm not going to. BRB. Ding. Shut up. I'm back. I just did my edges, but they were better in the last video, so if you want to see like really good edges, just look at the last video. I just wanted to point out that while I am doing this tutorial that I'm going to be listening to My Chemical Romance because I'm still having middle school nostalgia right now. Don't know why. I hated middle school. But the music was like a turning point in my life. Like, it was when I realized I had depression. I got really dizzy. Sometimes I get the feeling she's watching over me, and other times I feel like I should go. I have an idea. I'm going to do this. I'm going to advocate. I'm not drunk. You're drunk, sir. I'm just winded from all this recording. Rejection is a part of life. If you're gonna get rejected, everything. See me in a crowd. This is my look. It's alright, I guess, whatever. I'm drunk, I'm gonna take this off and then go back to sleep because I have nothing else to do today. And I hope you liked my video today. It is kind of fun to make. And yeah, if you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with another video at some point in my life. Probably should have done full face. My face looks disgusting today, but this is what it looks like when I'm done with my makeup. You know what? I'm gonna wear this look to work tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go drink some water, sober up, and go to sleep. So have a great day. Hope you like one of my looks. Me and Jonathan, my son right here, are gonna go ahead and take a nap, go back to sleep. I'm tired and I just want to go to sleep. You know what? I kind of like it. I'm a queen. Have a great day. I gotta pee. Okay, bye. You're right, Jonathan. I forgot to take pictures. Oh well. Oh my god! I'm gonna take this. Have you heard the news that you're dead? If you're dead. Come on, a long time. Okay, here we go. I gave you blood gallons of the stuff. I gave you all that you can drink, and it'll never be enough. I gave you blood. I'm the kind of human wreckage that you love.